So the Revlon Kiss is on sale for $4.99. It's buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You would pay $7.48, but then you get a $5 register reward, making it $2.48 or just $1.24 a piece. The Olay makeup, if you guys need big makeup wipes, they are $5.99. They are currently buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $8.98. But then you guys would get a $5 register reward, making it $3.98 or just $1.49 a piece, I think. $1.99 a piece, sorry. So giving you guys that deal. So the Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $3, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them absolutely free. So this toothpaste is regular price $3.79. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would end up paying $4.58, but then you get 5,000 points when you buy 2 of them. Comes out to be just a 42-cent moneymaker. The Kellogg's toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $6.97, but then you get 5,000 points when you buy 3 of them. Comes out to be just $1.97 or 66 cents a piece. School supplies, they have scissors for 99 cents, glue sticks for 49 cents, glue for 49 cents, and then they have some 24 count Crayola crayons, but they're out of this area, for 49 cents, and then they have some regular markers and crayons. They have folders, 5 for $1, more folders, 49 cents. They got some dividers, 79 cents, sheet protectors, 79 cents, loose leaf paper, 79 cents. Then we're just going to go down here. They got little mini notebooks for 49 cents. And then they have a dry erase board for $3.99. Some index cards for 49 cents. They have a little stapler for 79 cents. A protractor for 79 cents. Ruler, 5 for $1. They got highlighters for 99 cents. They got Papermate pencils, mechanical pencils for 99 cents. A 2-pack of pens for 99 cents. Erasers, 49 cents. 2-pack of erasers, 5 for $1. Sharpeners, 99 cents. So the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid are on sale for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon for the liquid, and we have a $2 off digital coupon for the pods. You guys would end up paying $5.98, but then you get a $3 register reward. Comes out to be just $2.98 or $1.49 a piece, and you guys can submit your receipt to the P&G website. They got soap on sale for 99 cents, and then here's the best deal that you guys can get. Ajax was $1, now it's on sale for 99 cents. That's just the best deal, you guys. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So Renews It's on sale for 89 cents. There is a digital coupon for buy 4, you get 2 free. You guys would end up paying $3.56. But then there is a deal with Ibotta where if you guys buy 5 of them, but you still need to get to 6 to use the digital, but you need to use 5 of them to get $2 off. So it comes out to be just $1.56 or 26 cents a piece. So the Scott's paper towels and the Scott's toilet paper are regular price $5. There is a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, so you guys would get these for $3.75 if you want to go do that, and you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards for points. So the Kellogg cereal is currently on sale for $1.99. Now we do have a 50-cent off coupon, and we also have a $1 off a 2 coupon, but they come out to be just $1.49 a piece. And you guys can submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards, and you can also submit to get a free book. Nice brand or home complete bags are on sale for $2.79. They're currently buy one, you get 2 free. So these come out to be just 93 cents a piece.